Hello folks. Okay, the next item that we have here is some DVD blank media. Now DVD, they come in different storage capacities. They come in 4.7, which is a DVD-5, and DVD-9. They're usually double that, which is usually 9.9.4, or DVD-9, which is a 9 gigabyte. That's what they call it. So DVD-5 is 5 gigabyte, DVD-9 is 9 gigabyte. They're actually a little bit less than that. DVD-5 is 4.7 and DVD-9 is 9.4. I mean 8.4. That's what the sizes are. This particular brand is made by RiData or RiData, and this company has been around for a while. This is a pretty trustworthy brand. DVDs are different than CDs to where they can store more. Like CDs, they can store probably a maximum of 700 or 800 megabytes. DVDs, especially DVD-9, can store 8.4 gigabyte. And DVD-5s, 4.7 gigabyte. This happens to be a DVD-9, or DVD-9s are also known as DVD double layer because it's double of the DVD-5, double of the 4.7. So what that is they have 2 layers of 4.7 storage space on them. That's why they're double layer. And this is a DVD double layer right here, and it's the DVD plus R. There's the DVD minus R and DVD plus R. They're basically both recordables. They do the same thing. Some of them are just a little different specific specifications, but they both do the same thing. Some will read better on some machines than others. Some DVD-Rs, DVD-Rs, which is actually the first ones that came out, read on most DVD players, and then the DVD plus R came out later, which is different specifications, but they're both backwards compatible. You shouldn't have any problem with them. Now this is a DVD-9, which is a little bit more expensive than the DVD-5, so this is a double layer. And this is a 25 pack, you know, and I do a lot of DVDs here because I do a lot of video. And these here are made by Memorex, and of course, or RiData, and they've been around for a long time. They usually have these right here. You can get them both ways. You can get them over here with the you can get them with the double layer, right? And rewritable, or you can, and this is the one that you can't print on, right? Because it's a silver face, and then of course the back is the shiny side where you write the information on it. So, and then on the bottom of this stack here, I have the same thing. They're double layers also, but this, as you can see, these are writables. They're printables, inkjet printables. They come in both ways. This pack here happens to have both. I have some that you can't print on, right? And then some that you can print on. And actually that's what these are. These were just extra ones I had from another pack, so that's what these are here. This pack is the printable inkjet white double layer. Inkjet white double layer printables. And that's what these DVD double layers are. And same thing as the CDs, you can print on them if you have a printer that has a CD caddy where you can print on them, or you can also just get labels and stick them on here as well. And that's what you do with these silver ones. You just stick the labels on there. But these you can print right on the CDs, and I print right on the CDs when I do them. It just looks a little bit more professional, and a lot of the customers prefer it that way, you know. So so it's pretty cool. And like I said, these are double layer, and they're made by RiData, and these guys have been around for a long time. Now these, same thing, when you can store data on them, or you can store video on them, you know, or pictures. So you can use them as a data CD where you can store all kinds of stuff, and you can get more content on these than a CD. Like I said, a CD goes to 700 or 800 megabyte, and these things, these double layer ones, you can fit up to 8.5 gigabytes on them. Some are 8.4, but some go to 8.5. These happen to go to 8.5 because they're double layer, and there's some double layers that are 8.4. So this one is an 8.5 double layer. You could burn video on this and then do a DVD video DVD, and you can play them back on your DVD player. But again, same thing as the CDs. They have to be written to DVD video specs in order to play back on your DVD player. You just can't drag a video file on here and expect it to play back. It has to be, it's a term they use, it has to be authored. In other words, authoring means it has to be written according to the DVD standard. That's what authoring is called. When you're writing it to the DVD standard, you're authoring the video onto the DVD. But like I said, you can also use it as a data CD, and since it stores more than an audio CD, which is only 800 megabytes, you can fit a lot more stuff on this, and you could use it for storage as well. So it does not only function as a DVD video, but it also functions as a storage DVD. And again, these are made by RiData or RiData, and it's the printable 25 pack double layer DVD plus R. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy.